Thank you, Emma. And you saw this at the very end of Emma's story there. The proceedings wrapped up very quickly following the reading of the verdict, and Trooper Brian North walked out of court immediately, got into a car and left.
Yeah, FOX61's Bridgette Bjorlo tried speaking with him, but he told her that he had nothing to say. Shortly after, we were able to get first reactions from his defense attorney. Take a listen.
Were you surprised by today's outcome?
Thank you.
You can never predict what a jury's going to do.
Are you really? How's Brian feeling? He didn't say anything, but how was he feeling emotionally? I mean, he was facing up to 40 years, and now he walks free. He has to feel good about that.
He's still shaken every day with what occurred that day, and he will be living with that with the rest of his life.
What's next for him? What's his plans moving forward?
We've gone day by day. We'll find out when the next day approaches.
Looking back, is there anything he would have done differently in hindsight?
He's looking forward, not backwards. That's all we can do. That's all he can do.
And what's your message to the Suleiman family?
It was a very difficult process, and everybody just needs to take it day by day.
Someone lost their life, and that is tragic. As a mom, I felt for her, but I also feel for Trooper North, who was doing his job that day and did everything that he was trained to do, as his training supervisor stated. And I didn't want to see him penalized for doing his job. It's a tragedy all around. So there's really no winners here.
And there was a significant presence from Friends of Trooper North and other law enforcement groups that were supporting him throughout the trial. They celebrated today's verdict, albeit a bit muted, but it was a completely different story for friends and family of the victim, in this case, Mubarak Suleiman. Here's what they had to say.
Do you think the jury got it wrong?
Completely wrong.
What do you think the prosecution did wrong? Why do you think they didn't convince this jury?
I think the prosecution did everything correctly. I think they put on a strong case. I think that the trooper should have been convicted of one of the three charges. So I don't know what's in the minds of the jurors, but like I said, while we disagree, we accept the result.
I'm not happy with the verdict because of what I saw and what I've been following for 4 years, and I think just we have to do something better about how we police. You know, it was a tough situation all the way around. There's mental health involved, obviously, but I just, some people should not have a gun.